Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to delete your own Discord server. Now let's say you've just made a Discord server and you don't know how to delete it. I'm going to show you right away. The first step, of course, is to open up your Discord account, your Discord application. You sign in and you head down to the Discord server that you would like to delete. Now I made this one for a test run, and as you can see, I'm right here, and if I go to the user settings, I can't find anything about it. If I go to the server itself, I right click it, I can't find a server deletion key. So all I have to do is simply go to the test server right here, right click it, head down to the server settings, and inside the server settings we open the server settings. Now here we go to the overview, and there's nothing, but what we want to do is we scroll all the way down, and here in the last option we see delete server, and we simply press it, enter the server name, so it's test1, delete server, and that's it. Now as you can see, the server has been deleted, and that should be about it. If you still get any other questions, leave them in the comments down below. Please consider subscribing, this helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.